Your 401k is not a retirement plan. It is a wealth transfer mechanism designed to move your money into Wall Street's pockets while you wait 40 years to find out you were lied to. In 2025, the average 401k balance for Americans aged 55 to 64 is $187,000. Sounds decent until you realize it generates roughly $7,400 per year in retirement income. That is poverty. That is not the golden years. That is you working at Walmart at 72 because the system sold you a lie wrapped in a tax break. Here is what nobody tells you. The 401k was never designed to be your primary retirement vehicle. It was created in 1978 as a corporate tax loophole, a side deal for executives to defer compensation. But in the 1980s, corporations realized they could kill expensive pension plans and shift all the risk onto you by pushing 401ks as the new retirement solution. It was the greatest bait and switch in American financial history. You went from a guaranteed income for life to gambling your future on a market you do not control. Let's talk about what this actually costs you. The average 401k has a management fee of 1% per year. Sounds small, right? Wrong. Over 40 years, that 1% fee will consume nearly 28% of your total account value. On a $500,000 balance, that is $140,000 that Wall Street takes just for holding your money. You do all the saving, take all the risk, and they get paid no matter what happens. If the market crashes the year you retire, like it did in 2008 or 2020, you lose 40% of your wealth overnight, and there is no recovery time. But the fund managers still got their fees. Then there is the employer match, the so-called free money. Companies love to brag about matching 3% or 4% of your salary, but here's the truth. That match replaced the 60% to 80% of your salary you would have received from a pension. Your grandfather retired with a guaranteed $40,000 per year for life from his pension. You get a $3,000 annual match and a good luck pat on the back. Corporations saved billions by killing pensions and convinced you to thank them for it. And it gets worse. Your 401k is tax-deferred, not tax-free. You are not avoiding taxes. You are just postponing them to a time when you have zero control over what tax rates will be. Right now in 2025, the national debt is over $36 trillion. Social Security is projected to run out of reserves by 2033. Do you really think tax rates are going lower when you retire? The government is counting on your 401k as a future tax revenue goldmine. You are building a pile of money that they will tax at whatever rate they need when you are too old to do anything about it. Here's another scam nobody talks about. Required minimum distributions. The government forces you to start withdrawing money from your 401k at age 73, whether you need it or not. Why? Because they want their tax revenue. If you do not take it out, they fine you 25% of what you should have withdrawn. They are not helping you save for retirement. They are creating a tax trap with a timer on it. Let's talk about what actually works. Wealthy people do not use 401ks as their primary wealth vehicle. They use Roth IRAs, real estate, whole life insurance policies with cash value and businesses. Why? Because those assets give them control, tax-free growth, or tax-free income. The 401k keeps you locked in a box for 40 years, where Wall Street controls the fees, the government controls the tax rate, and your employer controls the match. You control nothing. If you are already contributing to a 401k, here is what you do. Contribute only enough to get the full employer match. That is still free money even if it is a bad deal compared to pensions. But do not max it out. Take the extra money and open a Roth IRA where you pay taxes now and never again. Invest in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund with a 0.03% fee, not the 1% fee your 401k charges. Then start building a side income stream, real estate, online business, anything that creates cash flow you control. The 401k is not your friend. It is a 40-year bet that the market will go up, that fees will stay low, that taxes will not explode, and that you will live long enough to enjoy it. That is not a retirement plan. That is a hope strategy. The system does not want you to know this because the entire economy is now built on your 401k contributions, propping up the stock market. If everyone stopped funding their 401k tomorrow, the market would collapse. You are not investing for your future. You are providing liquidity for Wall Street's present. The next video breaks down exactly how to build a real retirement plan outside the 401k trap using the same strategies the top 5% use to retire early. Subscribe to the Wealth Clock so you do not miss it, because this is the information they do not teach you in school, and your financial advisor will never tell you.